Have you ever considered how the seemingly innocuous items in your bedroom might influence the flow of positive energy in your life? Surprisingly, the objects in your most personal space could play a significant role in shaping your emotional well-being, professional success, and even your financial stability. In this in-depth exploration, we will unveil a transformative approach to optimizing your environment, ensuring your bedroom becomes a beacon of peace and abundance. Along the way, we'll weave in thought-provoking examples, personal insights, and actionable steps to create a truly compelling narrative that draws you in from the very beginning. Welcome to Wisdom in Buddhism, where we explore how Buddhist philosophy can be applied to modern life to achieve harmony and prosperity. Our living spaces are not just physical shelters, they are reflections of our inner selves and aspirations. An organized and balanced space not only helps you relax but also activates positive energy and opens the door to new opportunities. But true prosperity goes beyond tidying up. It begins with nurturing your mind and mindset. Today, we'll delve into how to create a flow of abundance from within and without, transforming your living space into a sanctuary for peace and success. Your bedroom is more than just a resting space. It is a sanctuary that profoundly affects your mental, emotional, and spiritual state. Spending hours in this intimate environment makes it a pivotal factor in your overall energy. But what happens when the energy within this space becomes cluttered or stagnant? Let's delve into the reasons why maintaining a harmonious bedroom is essential for cultivating abundance. Every object in your space carries its own vibrational frequency. When these vibrations harmonize with your intentions, they amplify positive energy, paving the way for success and happiness. Conversely, disharmonious items can act as energy blockages, creating invisible barriers to opportunities. It's not merely about aesthetics, it's about setting the stage for your life's flow. 9 things to remove for a prosperity-infused space. 1. Accumulated clothes and shoes. A cluttered wardrobe doesn't just take up physical space. It ties you to outdated versions of yourself. Unused clothes and shoes can anchor you to past identities and prevent personal growth. How it brings prosperity. Removing these items symbolizes letting go of the past and creating room for new opportunities. A cleaner wardrobe reflects a clearer mind, preparing you for future possibilities. Story example. Hiroshi was overwhelmed by a wardrobe full of unused suits and shoes, holding on to what-ifs. One day, he decided to donate them. Soon after, he experienced a shift in his life. He felt mentally lighter and received a lucrative job offer. Decluttering wasn't just about cleaning, it was an act of embracing his future self. 2. Broken or unused electronics. Broken or unused electronics, like old phones or faulty headphones, not only take up space but also trap stagnant energy in your home. How it brings prosperity. Clearing these items allows fresh, creative energy to flow freely, fostering inspiration and productivity. Story example. Mia, a graphic designer, struggled with a creative block. She decided to clear her home of old, unused gadgets, including a broken laptop and a faulty printer. Once her workspace was refreshed, she felt energized and completed her projects with renewed creativity and success. 3. Old papers and documents. Stacks of outdated bills, manuals, and papers create visual chaos and symbolize procrastination. How it brings prosperity. Organizing and discarding old documents brings mental clarity, allowing you to focus on making smarter decisions and fostering growth. Story example. Sarah, a small business owner, often lost critical files in her cluttered workspace. Frustrated, she decluttered her papers, discarding unnecessary ones. This act transformed her workspace, sharpened her focus, and helped her secure more clients by streamlining her processes. For damaged furniture. Worn-out furniture, like wobbly chairs or scratched tables, conveys neglect and stagnation. How it brings prosperity. Replacing or repairing these items renews your environment, sending a signal that you're ready for positive change and growth. Story example. Brian lived with a tattered sofa for years. When he finally replaced it, his home felt brighter, and he became more confident in inviting friends over. The simple act of updating his space boosted his self-esteem and opened him up to new opportunities. 5 dead or artificial plants. Dead or artificial plants symbolize decay or false growth, creating a stagnant energy in your space. How it brings prosperity. Replacing them with thriving greenery, like a jade plant or lucky bamboo, revitalizes your home and attracts vitality, abundance, and positive energy. Story example. Emma replaced a withered plant on her desk with a vibrant money tree. Shortly after, she received an unexpected promotion. The thriving plant symbolized growth, mirroring the opportunities that came her way. 6 poorly positioned or broken mirrors. Mirrors amplify energy, but broken or poorly placed mirrors disrupt harmony. For example, a mirror reflecting your bed can cause restless energy. How it brings prosperity. Properly placed, intact mirrors can enhance light, space, and positive energy flow, creating a harmonious environment. Story example. Maya felt restless with a mirror reflecting her bed. After repositioning it to reflect light and beauty instead, her home became more serene, and her sleep quality improved. This newfound peace translated into greater focus and success in her career. 7 objects with negative memories. Why you should remove them. Items associated with painful memories can anchor you to the past, holding on to negative energy that impedes personal growth. How it brings prosperity. Releasing these objects clears the emotional and physical space for positive energy and new opportunities. Story example. Alex kept a bracelet from a toxic relationship. When he finally let it go, he felt liberated, and his living space became more uplifting. Soon after, he formed new, healthy connections, proving that letting go invites better things into your life. 8 non-functioning clocks. A stopped clock symbolizes stagnation and a lack of progress. How it brings prosperity. A working clock represents forward momentum, aligning your space with the natural flow of time and opportunities. Story example. Clara repaired a broken clock in her living room. Afterward, she noticed everything in her life seemed to flow more smoothly, from her work projects to personal relationships. A functional clock reinforced her sense of progress and purpose. 9 objects associated with bad habits. Items linked to harmful habits, like an old ashtray or cluttered snack drawer, serve as constant reminders of negative behaviors. How it brings prosperity. Replacing these objects with symbols of growth like a motivational journal or fitness gear creates an environment that inspires healthier choices and personal development. Story example. Jake, who struggled with smoking, replaced his collection of lighters with a gratitude journal. The shift in his environment motivated him to stay on track with his goals, leading to significant improvements in his health and career. Every item you remove clears space for fresh energy, renewed focus, and boundless opportunities. By consciously curating your environment, you create a space where prosperity and positivity can flourish. Cultivating a prosperity mindset. 1. Daily affirmations. Affirmations are powerful tools for rewiring your subconscious mind. By repeating positive statements, you shift your focus toward possibilities instead of limitations, creating a mental environment primed for success. How to practice. Begin each day with affirmations that resonate with your goals. For example, I am worthy of abundance in all forms. Opportunities flow to me effortlessly. I am aligned with success and prosperity. Example. Sarah, a struggling freelancer, started her mornings with the affirmation, I am attracting ideal clients. Over time, her confidence grew, and she noticed a surge in inquiries for her services. Affirmations helped her focus on abundance rather than scarcity, transforming her mindset and outcomes. 2. Visualization techniques. Visualization is the bridge between dreams and reality. By vividly imagining your desired outcomes, you train your mind to recognize and seize opportunities aligned with your vision. How to practice. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily visualizing your goals as already achieved. Engage all your senses. See yourself waking up in a serene, organized bedroom filled with natural light. Feel the comfort of a harmonious space that supports your aspirations. Imagine the joy of living a life aligned with your dreams. Example. James, an entrepreneur, visualized himself in a thriving office surrounded by supportive colleagues. This practice fueled his motivation and guided his decisions, ultimately leading to the expansion of his business. Visualization turned his abstract goals into tangible achievements. 3. The power of gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. This mental shift elevates your emotional state and attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. How to practice. Each night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Be specific and heartfelt, such as, I'm grateful for the laughter shared with friends today. I appreciate the cozy warmth of my home. I'm thankful for the opportunity to learn and grow. Example. Emily, feeling stuck in her career, began a gratitude journal. Over time, she noticed a profound change in her mindset. By focusing on her blessings, she cultivated an optimistic outlook, leading to unexpected career opportunities and a deeper sense of fulfillment. Real-life inspiration, Emily's journey to transformation. Emily's bedroom mirrored the chaos in her mind: piles of clothes, mismatched furniture, and little room to breathe. Feeling overwhelmed, she decided to implement these prosperity principles. 1. Affirmations. She started each day declaring, "I am creating a life of abundance and harmony." 2. Visualization. Emily visualized her room as a sanctuary, tidy, peaceful, and inspiring. 3. Gratitude. Every evening, she listed 3 things she appreciated about her day. As she aligned her thoughts and actions with her vision, her physical space transformed. Her once cluttered bedroom became an organized, serene retreat. The results extended beyond her home. She experienced financial growth, strengthened her relationships, and felt a profound inner peace. Emily's story illustrates how small, intentional changes can create monumental shifts in life. By cultivating a prosperity mindset, you go beyond the surface of transformation. Aligning your thoughts and actions with abundance creates a ripple effect, drawing the universe's blessings into your life. These practices aren't just habits, they are declarations of your readiness to thrive. Thank you for joining Wisdom in Buddhism on this journey to cultivate a prosperity mindset. Remember, transforming your living space is not just about rearranging furniture but also about realigning your mind and aspirations. By starting with positive affirmations, visualizing a joyful future, and practicing daily gratitude, you are not only reshaping your surroundings but also inviting the universe's blessings into your life. Start today with small but meaningful steps to turn your home into a hub of abundance, and your mind into a source of endless inspiration. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread positive energy to others. See you in the next video.